Setting up the belt conveyor stacker. The belt conveyor stacker comes with the X Pro. It's optional with the X, and it will ship in 2 marked boxes. Start by opening the large box marked 1 of 2 and retrieve the installation instructions. Turn to page 6 and open the box marked 2 of 2. Following the step-by-step instructions, assemble the base frame. Once the base frame has been assembled, have a second person assist in removing the belt stacker from the large box and carefully placing it onto the base frame. Guide the completed belt stacker into position at the rear of the AeroCut. Carefully plug in the stacker to the AeroCut. Please ensure the height is correct. If too high, the paper will be obstructed. If too low, the sensor will not see the paper as it exits the AeroCut. Use the provided hex key to adjust the bolts to obtain correct position. The belt stacker should be about 5 millimeters below where the paper exits the AeroCut. Customers may elect to use the standard card catcher. Carefully pull the conveyor belt stacker back about 1 foot while paying close attention to the connecting cord. Move the standard card catcher from its stored position down to the paper exit position. Lastly, place the 3 magnetic card stacker wires into position. Use the provided power cord and plug in the AeroCut. You'll find the power switch on the operator's side below the feed table.